Objectives of world-class manufacturing system. 1. The objectives of world-class manufacturing (WCM) system are to achieve operational excellence, improve productivity, and enhance overall performance. 2. WCM aims to reduce waste and eliminate non-value-added activities through the implementation of lean principles, resulting in improved efficiency and cost reduction. 3. It seeks to enhance product quality and customer satisfaction by implementing rigorous quality control measures and continuously improving processes. 4. WCM aims to optimize production processes and reduce lead times, allowing for faster delivery of products to the market and improved responsiveness to customer demand. 5. It focuses on maximizing equipment effectiveness and minimizing downtime through the implementation of total productive maintenance (TPM) practices. 6. WCM aims to foster a culture of continuous improvement and employee empowerment, encouraging involvement, collaboration, and idea sharing across all levels of the organization. 7. It strives to create a flexible and adaptable manufacturing system that can quickly respond to changing market conditions and customer requirements. 8. WCM aims to develop a skilled and engaged workforce through training and development programs, promoting employee satisfaction and retention. 9. It seeks to establish strong partnerships and collaboration with suppliers, fostering a reliable and efficient supply chain. 10. WCM aims to create a safe and ergonomic work environment, prioritizing employee health and well-being. 11. It focuses on reducing defects, rework, and customer complaints through the implementation of robust quality management systems. 12. WCM aims to minimize inventory levels and improve inventory turnover, leading to cost savings and improved cash flow. 13. It seeks to standardize processes and implement best practices across the organization, ensuring consistency and efficiency. 14. WCM aims to increase overall equipment effectiveness (OEE) and equipment utilization through proactive maintenance practices and efficient scheduling. 15. It focuses on reducing lead times and improving on-time delivery performance, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. 16. WCM aims to promote sustainability and environmental responsibility by implementing green manufacturing practices and reducing waste generation. 17. It seeks to foster a culture of innovation and continuous learning, encouraging the development and implementation of new technologies and processes. 18. WCM aims to align manufacturing goals and objectives with the overall business strategy, contributing to the organization's competitiveness and profitability. 19. It focuses on streamlining communication and information flow, ensuring timely and accurate data exchange throughout the manufacturing system. 20. WCM aims to benchmark against industry leaders and strive for world-class standards, continuously raising the bar for performance excellence.